Welcome back to another video on Third Rock Through My Eyes. Animals, plants and birds. There are millions of species we haven't even discovered yet. However, the species we already know, the number count is depleting. 150 species go extinct every 24 hours. Species, not even individuals. That's like an entire human race going extinct. Imagine the magnitude of this. However, certain species have very elusive behavior. Hence, they stay away from prying human eyes. Humans have considered these animals to be extinct for a long period of time, but they have sustained without humans discovering that they truly live. Today, let's look at few examples of these animals. Number 1. Kashmir musk deer. Similar to the musk ox, the Kashmir deer also has very fatal musk glands below its throat. The reason why I call these glands fatal is because they are the main reason hunters even aim to kill the Kashmir musk deer. These glands can sell for a reported $45,000 on the black market. This is what makes them so valuable. After the India-Pakistan split in 1948, the Kashmir musk deer was reported to be extinct. But recently, just in 2009, the Kashmir musk deer was rediscovered. However, the population is still very low due to the poachers. The Kashmir musk deer is very unique in fact. Unlike most deer its size, it does not have antlers. Instead, it has terrifying fangs. These fangs, however, are used by the Kashmir musk deer the same way antlers are used, to fight for territory and mates. And also, the Kashmir musk deer, despite its name, can be found in areas from India to Afghanistan to Pakistan and even Nepal. The Kashmir musk deer, as mentioned before, due to its depleting count, will soon be extinct in India within about 5 years. The goblin shark. The goblin shark was first encountered by fishermen off the coast of Japan. They were frightened by this shark and named it after their very own folktale of a red-faced demon. They named it Tengu Zame in Japanese. This translates into the elephant shark, but we call it the goblin shark. The goblin shark does indeed look frightening. It has a protruding and distinguishing nose which is very long and has lots of very sharp teeth. And did I mention the size? They can measure about 13 feet. However, they are nearly harmless to humans as we very rarely ever encounter them. The goblin shark tends to stay between the twilight zone and the midnight zone, about 4,000 feet below sea level. Recently, scientists have even managed to film the goblin sharks in their natural habitat, which proves that they weren't extinct all along. Oh, and I almost forgot. The main reason we have to try and conserve this species is because they are the only living descendant of a species over 125 million years old. This species lived through whatever killed the dinosaurs. We certainly do not want to be the cause of this species' extinction. Number 3. The Tasmanian singing dog. Looking at a dog its size, you would never expect that it would sing. In fact, groups or packs of these dogs are known to group together and start singing like a choir. These dogs were thought to be extinct for a very long time until they were seen in the dense forests of Papua New Guinea in 2016. Today, only 250 or so dogs still exist, and they are mainly in captivity or kept as exotic pets. This species is known to be the world's rarest wild dog. With World Animal Day this month, let's all do our bit to try and conserve all these animals, leaving their shape or size. Now, I know that this list was rather short, so I encourage you to go and search for yourself whatever animals we humans consider to be extinct but actually weren't. I personally found several other animals. All were really fascinating. The goblin shark especially was really interesting to me, and I encourage you to go and search more about it. Till then, this is Third Rock Through My Eyes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.